How to get a super high score in Block Blast. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Achieving a super high score in Block Blast requires strategy, focus, and a few expert tricks. So first, understand the scoring mechanism. Points per row or column. You can earn points by clearing rows or columns. Next, combos and streaks. Clearing multiple rows or columns at once gives bonus points. Next, combo chains. Consecutive clearances without leaving gaps increase your score exponentially. Now, master placement strategy. First, work from the corners. Start placing blocks in the corners or edges to keep the center open for flexibility. Next, avoid isolated gaps. Always try to fill spaces completely, avoiding single block gaps that are hard to clear. And lastly, leave room for big blocks. Larger blocks like 3x3 squares can end your game if there is no space for them. So, plan ahead accordingly. Look at the blocks provided and plan where each piece can fit before making your first move, and think about how your current placement will affect the spaces for future blocks. You can also use the power-ups like bombs, undo moves, rotating blocks. Make sure that not all versions of Block Blast allows these features or power-ups. Lastly, prioritize pace over points. Early in the game, prioritize keeping the grid open and manageable rather than scoring combos. As the game progresses and space becomes tighter, shift your focus to maximizing points through combos and develop patterns. Create repeating patterns on the board that make it easier to fit new pieces. For example, alternate rows or columns with gaps in predictable ways to keep your options open. And lastly, make sure to practice regularly to be the best. Like any puzzle game, practice makes perfect. The more you play, the better you'll get at anticipating moves and maximizing your score. So, this was about how you can get a super high score in Block Blast. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.